Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to the Newtonian Mechanics for Undergraduates course. I am S.K. Jahiruddin, your instructor for this course. I am an assistant professor of Sustainability College, Kolkata. I am taking this course on behalf of Physics Guide. I was the topper of IIT Bombay 2011 MSc Physics batch. I ranked 7 in IIT JAM and 8 in CSIR NET JRF. So in this course, I will be discussing about Newtonian mechanics from the very scratch. I don't assume much that you have knowledge of your HS or JE level. So that course will be starting from very basic. So I will tell you everything, whatever you need. So don't worry about your previous knowledges. We'll do Newtonian mechanics in this course. We'll start from very basic principle to central force, and some rigid bodies will also be covered. We'll not cover Lagrangian Hamiltonian here. This is an entirely Newtonian mechanics course. That Lagrangian Hamiltonian part we'll be doing in some classical mechanics course later onwards, someday. The medium of instruction is English, of course. So I have already told you, I don't assume that you have much knowledge. If you are BSc or MSc studying students, so it will be very helpful to you. If you have just admitted to an undergraduate course, if you are admitted in your BSc Physics, then this course will be very helpful to you to get understanding of the basic concepts. If you are a JAM, JEST or NET GATE aspirant or CUET aspirant, then of course this course is for you. We'll be doing problems, solutions, how to crack the problems, everything there. I have this link. So here you'll be watching all that course contents, assignment slides, test, all the lecture videos will be posted there one by one. So what you need to do is to go to this link and register, of course. Now the brief syllabus will be covering starting from dimensional analysis, error calculations. We'll be studying the fundamental of dynamics, like Newton's laws, their properties, momentums, conservation of momentum, work and energies, collision, angular momentum, torque, rotational dynamics, rigid body mechanics, gravitation and central force motion. The central force will be covered in great detail so that you'll be able to solve all problems which comes in IIT JAM or CSIR NET. We'll be discussing a little bit about the oscillations, simple harmonic oscillators. Then we'll do some non-inertial systems. You'll be learning the Coriolis force, their applications, etc. Rigid body I tagged twice. Sorry about it. And some fluid mechanics also. A very little, but whatever you'll be requiring in your later life, that much of fluid mechanics I want to teach you here. Now the books, I'll be using many different books, so you don't need to read all the books. This class lecture slides and whatever note I will prepare and give you should cover the core content. So don't worry about the resources much. But I would request, if you are good students or you will be, or if you are enjoying the course as the time passes on, you of course try to read the books. All the books, it will not be possible, but as you progress, say in this year or next year, next year, you should be studying all these 4 books for your Newtonian mechanics part. And some problems from some other books I will also refer. But this A.C. Verma, Kleppner and Kolenko, Spiegel's theoretical mechanics, and Taylor's classical mechanics, they are completely self-sufficient. If we combine those four, Newton mechanics, there's nothing left. It should be covered. Now the teaching methodologies. In this course, I will be writing less in my hand while delivering the lecture. I'll be preparing the pre-prepared content, like just typed equations and type already made diagrams here, so that we'll pass this lecture very quickly. And whenever it is required, you need to just pause it, rethink about it. So I'll be trying to innovate better technologies and better ways to teach you. If I want, I can write, of course, at any point of time. If I want, I can write this as a, I can use this, the PPT, as whiteboard. This is very amazing, right? I can make diagrams, need to. I can write diagrams, everything, collisions. So all this can be done. So don't worry. I'll be writing on by my hand whenever it is required. So that's it, my friend, as an introduction. So I'll be recording each and every lecture and uploading some lectures in YouTube for free. Most of the lectures in my course web page. This is physicsguide.in courses Newtonian mechanics. If you just go to physicsguide.in, browse courses, you will get Newtonian mechanics there. So what you will get, some lectures will be distributed freely, and you get all the class lecture videos there, PDF file of this lecture. I'll save this slides as PDF and upload there. I'll give you notes. Whatever notes I will able to prepare, I will upload it there. Assignments and tests, of course, whatever I will be preparing, all the assignments, tests will be there. I will make a WhatsApp group. I already made one. So if you subscribe there, you will get an WhatsApp group link. So where you can join and you clear your doubts there. So at the very the crux of the story is, you will be learning like a boss. I'll be learning like a boss. I'll be using sometimes the meme images to make this lecture attractive. So finally, the fees is not 2000, as this Shikhar Dhawan meme is very popular. The fees is right now rupees 999. So if you go to the course link, register there, you will pay there. The payment gateway is enabled, so you'll pay rupees 999. At any point of time, you can contact me here. My phone number and WhatsApp number is this. Email ID is this. We have Facebook page. You can register it there. Facebook group. You can join there. This is my YouTube channel. I post all the free videos available to public here only. So finally, I would like to thank you to watch this introduction lecture. I rather increase myself here. So thank you very much. I hope you'll be registering this course, and let's see how you progress, how I progress, how you progresses. It is very certain that at least I will be learning something from this course. So it's a meme for the instructor, that at least the instructor learns something from the course. So let's see how I learn and how I try to make you learn. Thank you.